In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a Paxum account in a step-by-step process. So watch this video till the end so that you can create your own Paxum account after watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do like this video. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to visit to their official site. You can simply visit to paxum.com or simply search on Google and you will find the link to their official site. Once you find that link, just and visit to this kind of interface of the official site. You can simply click on this sign up button. Now you will see this kind of interface. Now here is the place where you can select either personal account or business account. If you are looking to create a business account, then this video is not for you. In this video I am going to show you how to create a personal account so that you can withdraw your earning from certain platform into Paxum and then from Paxum to your bank account. That's why you are going to learn how to create a personal account. So let's click on this personal account. Now you will see this kind of interface, and here you need to put your email address, phone number and choose a password. So I'll quickly fill out this form and you need to retype your password here too. So let's put our email address at here, let's put our phone number at here and choose a password that we can remember. Once you do this much, then just click on next step. So you can save this password if you want, or you can do never. It's your choice. So let's click on save. Now you'll see this kind of interface where you need to fill out your first name, last name, date of birth and your address, and then you need to click on next step. So I'll quickly fill out this form. So let's put my name at here. Once you fill out all of this information, just simply click on next step. And then you will see this kind of interface where you need to fill out from which country you are, where's the citizenship of your country and the country where you are, you will be taxed. Okay, this can be your same country, and your occupation you can select from this drop down, and then your estimated monthly deposit and withdraw you can select, like $1,000 you can put at here, and source of fund you can select and see if it is your affiliate income or anything other like revenue from live video chats. You can select that, and purpose of your account, what is the purpose of your account, you can select that, anyone from this three. Okay, so I'll quickly fill out this and show you what happens after next. Once you quickly fill out this form in this way, then you can simply click on next step. So now here are the things that you need to be filling by using genuine information, like from which entity or person will you receive the initial deposit into the account. So for example, I will receive from crack revenue, right? I can put this crack revenue, or if you are receiving from any person or site, you can put that at here. Please select to exercise the control over your account. I declare that nobody beside myself exercise ultimate control over this account. Do you have other financial institution account? If you have, then just select yes. If you don't have that, just select no. Do you or any of your close relative occupy no high in the past any high government position? If you have, then you can select yes. Are you involved in lawsuit? If you are, then you can select yes. If not, are you considered as a US taxpayer? If you are a US taxpayer, then just select this. Otherwise, just select this one and then click on next step. Now you can read their terms and conditions by clicking all at here. Okay, and then you can just select all of these and then just click on create account. So now it says registration complete, activation link was sent to your email. So now we'll check in our email address whether we have received our confirmation activation email or not. So as you can see here, we have received some email. Okay, welcome to Paxum. So this is the email that has an activation link, and you can just click on this activate account. So now our account is activated. Now we need to verify our accounts. So as you can see in the above here, it says your account is unverified, free action required. So you can just click on here and then you can confirm and verify your phone number. So once you click on confirm, you will receive a verification code in your mobile phone that you need to put at here. So in my case, it is going to be 4280, this verification code. Then just my phone is verified. Now I need to verify my identity by using the camera. Okay, so you need to take the picture of your identity document, either it is driving license or passport or whatever it is. You need to take the photo of that, and then you need to take a selfie. They will give the instruction. You can just click on use camera on this device, or what you can do is you can email a verification link, and they will send you an email from where you can take those pictures of your identification document and take the selfie. Okay, that link they will send you to the email address. Okay, and in case of this address, you need to either submit them a utility bill or a bank statement. I would suggest you to submit them a bank statement, because that is going to be a good fit, because financial institutions reputations are good. So that's why you can send those bank statement from document at here, so that you can be fully verified inside Paxum. So now there is another important thing. Okay, just after you complete this, there is going to be one email that you should not ignore. Okay, so this email is going to be Paxum transactional approval codes. Okay, so whenever you are going to do some transaction at here, there are some series of codes. Okay, and they will ask that code from these. Okay, this PDF, you can see it in this PDF. Okay, and then that code you need to put at here in Paxum whenever they ask you for that code. Okay? Otherwise your transaction is not going to be approved. So that you need to keep in your mind. So once you complete all of these steps, then you will have your fully verified Paxum account, and now you can easily withdraw those funds to your Paxum, those funds from the several marketplace, and withdraw it in your Paxum account, and then from Paxum you can withdraw it to your bank account. So guys, this is what I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.